Welcome! I will show you how to use the powerful Super Zoom feature. In Adobe Photoshop 2025 Beta, Super Zoom is part of the neural filters. Ready to zoom in like never before? This is a close-up portrait image with a width of 200 pixels and a height of 238 pixels at a resolution of 72 pixels per inch. The image is small and low resolution, which would normally result in noticeable quality loss when zoomed in. Let's dive into the Super Zoom filter. First, go to the top menu. Filter. Neural filters. Scroll down and enable Super Zoom. A dialog box will appear with several options. Each setting is explained below. Zoom level controls how far the image is zoomed in. You can go from 1x to up to 8x or more. This directly crops into the image while enhancing it. Enhance face details. This is the magic. When turned on, Photoshop uses AI to sharpen the eyes, skin texture, and other fine details, while maintaining a realistic appearance. Remove JPEG artifacts. This is especially helpful if your image is low quality or compressed. It cleans up blurry edges and blockiness. Enhance hair and edges. Noise reduction smooths out any grain or noise introduced during the enhancement. Keep it balanced to avoid oversmoothing. After noise reduction, some sharpness may be lost. Gentle sharpening brings back clarity cleanly. Brings out facial details, like eyes and skin texture, without overdoing it. When applying changes, a processing bar appears to indicate that Photoshop is enhancing the image. Choose from these. New document or new layer. I am selecting new document. It opened in a new document. Compare these two images. Using Super Zoom, you can create a better image. And that's how the new Super Zoom filter works in Photoshop 2025 Beta. Okay guys. I hope you liked this video. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.